Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a logo on CorelDraw. So here I just have this pen tool and I'm just going to draw something random here. Oh my gosh, this looks horrible. Like, it doesn't even look at us. Okay, let me try something else. Okay. Okay, that's good enough for me. And you can color it to like whatever color you want here on the right side if you'd like to, and you can even get like shapes here. So I'm just gonna get a shape, and let's go to the shaping tool, and then let's go to shapes, and then I'm going to weld these together. So select like one shape, weld to, and then the other one. As you can see, you can like weld it. Obviously you're going to make like a better shape than me. You can even like trim it here. So I'm going to select this shape. Let's do trim, and then trim, and then select this shape, and then it's going to, oh, I did it the wrong way around. Select this one and then trim this, and then like you basically created like another logo with it, like that. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can create a logo. Obviously make it like neater than what I'm making right now. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.